Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram this group can't be displayed iOS. To know how to fix or how to solve this group Telegram this group can't be displayed iOS, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will go to the application of Telegram. You will enter here. After that, in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.